So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a copper hanger and loop using a piece of copper wire. So we're going to get the copper wire and we're going to cut it, let's say 4 or 5 inches. So let's go ahead and take a pair of wire snips and just go ahead and cut it off. So you have a piece that's around 4 or 5 inches long. And then I have this metal rod that is 3 millimeters in diameter. You can see here, you could use a nail, but I just have this metal rod. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take that piece of copper wire that is the 4 inches, and we're going to just bend it into a U shape and get it as close to the middle as possible, but don't worry about it too much. You can see that this side is a little bit longer, and I'm just going to keep on bending around so we have one full loop. We're going to keep on going, and you can see at the top there's 2 loops in there. And I'm going to grab a pair of pliers over here, and I'm just going to squeeze it together so that those 2 pieces are side by side. And then we've got kind of this U right here. Sorry about the focus. And so what we want to do is we want to bend it back. We're going to kind of bend them away from each other and then pinch it together like that. So I don't know if you can see that. And we're going to grab a pair of vice grip pliers. I don't know if you guys are accustomed to vice grip pliers. These are pliers that will allow you to adjust the grip on it, and then you can grab and hold down. I need to tighten it a little bit more, so I'm going to tighten them just so that they're loosely closed, and then you clamp down on whatever you want to, and it'll just hold. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start spinning those 2 wires together until you get this nice twist in the copper wire. So you can see it's twisted 2 times there. You want 2 or 3, so you could come out a little bit farther down and clamp it, and then just twist these 2 things, and you can get this really nice twist in the wire. And then what we're going to want to do is have these 2 ends just poking straight out, and we're going to take it off of your rod or your nail or whatever you're using to twist it around, and you have this nice little loop. We're eventually going to put the yarn right in here, and we just got this twist here, and then we're going to put that down into the paper and open it up, but I'll show that to you in the next video. So that's what you want to have. All right, see you in the next video.